Hey guys, it's Holly. I went to Hobby Lobby. I didn't have a reason to go to Hobby Lobby. I just wanted to see if they had any markdown Thanksgiving scrapbooking stuff. I didn't see anything. So I did pick up a few things. Every year we usually go over to my aunt's house and we have Christmas Eve with her. And everybody usually go in their pajamas. I think that's something everybody does now. But anyway, for the last few years we've been kind of focusing on the Grinch. And so I picked this up. That's for him. This is for me. And they had these half price. All right. So I got those. And then they had the storage. Some of these storage things, I think it said like $4.99. And then some of them was still marked $3.99. So I picked this up. Also, there is something else that I picked up that I already started using. They have... Okay. So they have these. They're supposed to be for Illustrator markers, but because you can get such a fine point, I thought I would try these. I really like these. And I think if I had waited, I think they usually put this particular, this is their brand, and they'll usually put these on sale, like 40% off or something like that, if I remember right. But this was $4.99. They had some that said $6.99. It was the exact same thing. So I think that they just hadn't pulled the old $4.99 stock. But anyway, they're pigment ink, so they're permanent and all of that, and you get 3 different sizes. I have been trying this in my Hobonichi cousin, and it works really well. I really like this. So if they do have this, I'm gonna be stalking Hobby Lobby to see if they put these on sales, because I'm gonna go back and get a couple more. Maybe they might even have a bigger collection, but I really wanted this really small one, and it works really well in the Hobonichi. So anyway, I thought I would share that. And then just some random things. They had some of this candy on sale for 50 cents. They have more peanuts supplies, and they had earrings and all kinds of stuff. And so, but I'm trying to back off on the peanut paraphernalia. But I thought that this was super cute, so I picked this up, and this will be a bag charm. And I picked this up because everything on the Paper Studio was 40% off. So I have some pictures that I need to document with my son. And so I picked that up, and I picked these up. I thought these were cute. You can use these at any time. You always need hearts. So these were $1.99 with 40% off. Anything with the Paper Studio was 40% off. I like these, so I picked these up. And I really like these. I use them kind of like bookmarks. I think that these were really cute. I picked those up. And I still have not scrapbooked about my son's graduation. So I picked these up to kind of do that. And then, y'all, this is December Daily now. And so I hadn't really been in December Daily. I hadn't looked at any stuff for this year. And so I'm still deciding, and this is December 1st. I haven't done any kind of prep or anything. December just kind of sneaked up on me this time. But, and I'm still deciding if I'm actually going to do December Daily. So what I have been doing lately, hold on a second. So I just started this. I got this marked down, I think at Michael's. It's 25, but it's also 2026. So I've been kind of, let's see, kind of doing a little mini documenting in the Happy Planner. So I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit of what I've done. And I kind of like this. And so I just had this idea one day. I was like, well, maybe I can kind of document daily, which I'm already behind again. But and then, so I'm wondering if I'm going to do that for December Daily instead of trying to do the whole big thing, you know, maybe just continue this year, because I think this is probably more manageable. And then maybe I will do December documenting and not make it so where it has to be daily. But anyway, that's what I'm thinking about that. And I would love to know if you guys are going to do that. All right, so back to the haul. I picked this up. Everything Christmas is 50% off. I thought that this would be a cute bag charm. It was a little pricey, because that would make this, what, like $8. But I thought this was cute. And I remember those, it reminds me of my childhood when we drank a lot of Kool-Aid. I haven't hardly used Kool-Aid at all in my adult life or with my son. But that was a staple when I was growing up. And so I thought that would be cute bag charm. And then I bought 3 of these blind bag clips, and I thought that I would open them with you guys. I tried to kind of feel, not to try to find out what character I had, but I was trying to make sure I didn't get 3 in the same. But And I was trying to find that out by feel, but we will see. So let's take a look at these if y'all are interested. All right, so let's see what I got. Oh, we got a Charlie Brown. I don't have a Charlie Brown, so he's cute. And so these were, I think these were $7.99 or something like that. Because I think 3 of them were like 20. Yeah, $7.99. So I think that was cute. So we got a Charlie Brown. All right. I don't have where I'm looking for somebody in particular because I've got a lot of these. So let's just see. Now when I was feeling on the bag, I said I think one of these is Woodstock, but we'll see. All right, I got another Linus. So I have him already, but that's okay. I don't know why they make his hair all sparse like that. All right. All right, so let's see. It would be neat if I had him. But let's see. Or even Sally. I got a Sally. Look at that. So I did do a good job of making sure that I didn't get 3 of the same. So that's neat. I think I probably thought she was Woodstock. But I'm really happy that I picked those up. All right, but anyways, so that is all I had to share today, guys. You can let me know what you think, and I will see y'all later. I would love to know if anybody's doing December daily. Okay, bye.